We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 406, part 1. DRYTRON versus INVOKED SHADDOLLs. I lose this one. Just gonna SHADDOLL fusion. You could do from the hand. If I control the special summon monster from the extra deck, you could do it from the deck. So. One SHADDOLL monster plus a like monster. That's construct. Cool. Construct effect. Okay. SHADDOLL card. Okay. So we sent Schism and Wendy. Wendy's effect. A special summon face down defense, which is Beast. One non-link monster in the extra zone. Gravity controller. Construct. This card is sent to the graveyard. You can target one SHADDOLL spell trap in your graveyard, add it to your hand. That is the Schism. Gravity controller. Start of the damage step. Main monster zone can't be destroyed by battle. Main monster zone. Start damage step if this card battles an opponent's monster in the extra deck. In the extra monster zone. This card battles in the extra monster zone. Return both this card and that. Oh, okay. Red Eyes fusion. Is gonna negate it with Ash. And then I couldn't even do anything here. SHADDOLL Beast. Flip, draw 2, then discard 1. SHADDOLL Incarnation. Ooh. Gravity and Beast. Direct attack. Cyber emergency. Getting Zeta. Alpha, tribute Delta. Just gonna Schism. Squamata and Wendy on SHADDOLL monster plus a dark monster. Dang. Winda cannot be destroyed by opponent's card effects. Each player can only special summon one monster. Once per turn while this card is face up on the field. If this card is sent to the graveyard, you can target one SHADDOLL spell trap in your graveyard, add it to your hand. Wow. All I can only special summon one. Alpha, I'm gonna get Draconids. And I just end my turn. Almost summons. Or did he flip that? Yeah, I think he flipped it. Squamata. Pop. Flip. Target one monster in the field and destroy it. Oh! Meiyu wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. I've never been beaten with SHADDOLL invoked so bad before. Ridiculous. And don't know what kind of hand that is, but cyber emergency, again Alpha. Alpha, tribute Natasha. Don't know why I got I to 10. I thought I was gonna be able to summon another monster, but yeah. my Karibo, and that's all I could do. Oh, look at that. SHADDOLL Fusion. Did he do from the deck? I am not sure. That went so fast. Yeah, I did. Yeah, this deck got shuffled. What do you got there? So, Squamata and Gamma. Chain Link 1. Just gonna send the card. What? Send one card. Send one SHADDOLL card. And then Squamata. It's another sending a SHADDOLL card to the graveyard. There's Wendy and Ariel. Oh, Ariel. This card is sent to the graveyard by a card effect. You can target up to 3 cards in the graveyard. Banish them. Wow, well I have 3. I'm gonna banish all of them. Yo! And then Wendy. This card is sent to the graveyard by a card effect. Oh, that's the wrong card. Wendy. This card is sent to the graveyard by card effect. Special summon one SHADDOLL monster from your deck. Defense. And face down defense position except for itself. That is Beast. Look at that, Invoker, Alistair. Getting invocation. Linked off for Predator Plant Verte Anaconda and all SHADDOLL Construct. This card is sent to the graveyard. You can target one SHADDOLL spell trap from your grave, add it to your hand. That is the, what do you get? SHADDOLL Fusion. Wow. Invocation. From your hand or field, if summoning an invoked monster this way, you can banish monsters from your hand, from your field, or the player's graveyard. Well, he used Alistair and Driver. Verte, copying SHADDOLL Fusion. He's already activated one, but he's copying. Verte is copying the SHADDOLL Fusion, so we can activate it again. And Gwenda comes out. Oh my god. What did he do? Hedgehog and Alistair. Hedgehog's effect. Add one SHADDOLL monster from your deck to your hand, which is Wendy. It's gonna battle. Then Karibo will activate its effect, make its attack to 0. Winda and Mechaba direct. Oh. Invocation, recycle. I'm gonna get back the Alistair is gonna shuffle it back to the deck. It's gonna set a card. A draw, it's Gamma. Gamma, tribute, special. That's all I could do. I could only special summon once with the Winda. Both players could only special summon once. SHADDOLL Beast, draw 2 cards, discard 1. That was effect failure. Battle. Oh, Link Karibo. Oh, and then it's Super Poly. He used Anaconda and discarded Dragon to fusion summon Starving Venom Fusion Dragon. Oh, attack, attack, and attack. Ouch. Meiyu wins. 406. Does he have a deck? He does have a deck. Wow, that's cool. 406. Okay. We were at 1178, 1158. That was 406. Come on. Where is it? 40. 1.6. Here we go. It's a 42 card deck. Oh, didn't even see the Dogmatica in there. It's like 9 hand traps. Not bad. We're at 259, still at 259. Comment, share, like if you sub it if you liked it. See you guys.